Alright folks, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can get the highest probability trade in the boom 1000. So guys, this is a secret that a lot of traders does not know about in the synthetic indices. A lot of you want to question me right now. You have a lot of questions in mind to ask me if the strategy is working or what I'm going to say in this video. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly scalp the synthetic indices boom 1000 like a professional. Now, a lot of you normally do this type of mistakes because you are trying to catch spikes or you are trying to short the market at a very high risk. Now, what is that high risk now? Right now, a lot of traders are targeting zones like this, and some traders are just targeting 5 tick to their direction on the 1 minute time frame. Now, this is a good idea. Yes, you can actually catch good move and make money from those little tick. But in this way, a lot of traders are also risking too much of their account. Some are going far as using one lot size and two lot size for a very small account to make sure they can get a lot of money from it. Now, this is not that crazy, although, but one thing you need to understand is that this market is a simulated market. The market is actually built to fight you. So if you're trying to do such a thing, you might want to apply this simple trick that I'm going to be teaching you. Now, a lot of you guys already know your mistake is to try to trade. Let me see, I want to make scalping trade. I need to use the 1 minute. Scalping trade is not about using the 1 minute. It's about catching little move the right way and make money from them. So without wasting any of your time, one of the best time frame for you to start this type of analysis is by using your 1 hour time frame. Now, here in the 1 hour time frame, you will notice that this is the boom 1000. It appears like every normal market we all know about. Why is it like this? Because you are not trying to catch the tick of the market, but you're trying to look it as a real market and you're trying to understand what is really going on. Now, most time in the 1 minute time frame, if a candle like this come against you, your stop loss cannot hold. So you should stay away from the 1 minute chart if you want to do scalping the proper way. Now, how do you do this type of scalping? By analyzing the market properly. Yeah, you can see that if you zoom in to this area, what do you have here? This is a simple head and shoulder pattern which you can trade on. Let me use the black one. A simple head and shoulder pattern. And a lot of you guys will be like, wow, how can you get such accuracy in the market? It's by easily changing the view and the way you see things in the market. Then you can spot good trades like this. In here, I did two simple things by using the bigger time frame to analyze the market, and also I'm not trying to trade just boom, but I'm also trying to trade sell in the boom, and this is risky, but in the bigger time frame is not that risky because you are actually seeing if the market is going against you or not. And if the market is not going against you, that is your key. That is what you should be doing. Now, what do we have in this low? Yeah, this low actually is the neck. We have the shoulder, head, shoulder, and the drop. Now, what do you see here in the drop? The drop took out this low. Simple. Now you have your trade. Now, with this simple strategy, just using your higher time frame, and looking at the market like a real market, you can be able to beat them in the system than trying to go in the 1 minute to catch crazy move, and those moves are not that profitable. So this is the key you need. This simple strategy, using your higher time frame and looking at the market like a real market, and also you are not trying to just be a buyer. You are trying to look where the market is going to. That is one key thing, and that is the only key thing you need to beat the market. Until next time, please make sure you subscribe to this channel because I drop more updates about synthetic indices here.